Kids, don't listen to them. Kids, don't listen to them. It's bad
don't try this at home.
Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. So today we're gonna head to Jiufen, which is, it's known as, there you go, this is Taiwan, but it's known as the Santorini of Taiwan. So we're gonna head there and see what's up. What? And they're about to, I don't know what they're doing, but yeah, we're gonna grab some food first and then go to the bus station. It's gonna be an hour and a half ride. We'll see you there. We'll see you there. So after the very delicious meal of minced pork rice, we have very unfortunately missed our bus and we couldn't find the bus station. We were on the opposite side and the bus was not going to Jiufen. It was going on the other side. It was coming from there, which is that bus right there. And we have no idea where we should take the bus to go to Jiufen. So
We take an Uber instead.
yeah, we have resulted in ordering an Uber, which means we're eating nothing for tonight.
That's our Uber?
And speak of the devil, there's our Uber. Let's go. Hi guys, we finally arrived at Jiufen Old Street, and as you can see the sign right here, it's 50 minutes east of Taipei City, and it used to be a gold mine here. So this place is commercialized around in the 1990s. It's famous for the narrow streets here where there's shops, food, and some local products, so let's go and have a look. And we're trying the almond tea. It does smell pretty good. The aroma of the almond tea is actually really nice. And I guess he decided to take my drink first. So how's it?
I don't taste almond.
Well, I guess I just lost $35 of my daily budget then. And he's absolutely correct. This is a scam. It tastes, there's a slight taste of almond, but really, really slight. It tastes more like milk, so if you want almond milk, don't go to that place. And let's keep looking. So I've suggested a challenge for Calvin and Larry. Due to our low budget trip, you see behind me there are some free samples to try, and they will try and eat as much as they can. So Calvin and Larry is gonna play a game of rock, paper, scissors. Whoever loses will have to eat all of it.
Kids, don't listen to them. Kids, don't listen to them.
你要加辣吗？
要，可不可以解释一下这个是什么来的？
这个是杏鲍菇啊，马秀。
哦。
哎，
有什么特别啊？
什么特别？你吃了你就知道它的特别在哪里。
好吃啊？
对，
有什么特别？
外面很酥，里面很脆，
里面有菇，
里面有菇。
对，有这个菇。
We actually have no money after paying for that Uber ride, so this is what we're gonna have to result to eating.
They did look really interested in it at first.
So the game plan is, I'm gonna try to ask her to give me some more. Reason being, I'm really hungry. 可不可以再试一个？我肚子很饿。谢谢。I guess that works too. So if you're hungry and you have no money,
Just tell them you're hungry.
just tell them you're hungry. 可以再来一个吗？
你住在台湾好了。
谢谢。Oh shit. Sorry. 谢谢。So this very nice Taiwanese auntie just she invited us to come in and try. We'll see how it is.
Guys, this is 50%. This is 50%.
Let's have a look.
50的，10年的，50的。
可以拍一下。
我哋養真好似最貴
一見到你，
So I guess this is pretty suitable for us because it does say crazy on it. So let's try.
That pussy. She's giving him 70% instead.
So now we're gonna try and get even more alcohol for free.
你们要吗？
That's really nice. So now I'm gonna try and help myself and pour a shot and see if she's gonna give me shit or not. So after a lot of drinking, we're now on our quest for more free food and speaking of free food, there we go. So after walking and some food and a lot of drinking, we finally arrived at one of the edges of Jiufen Old Street, and I finally realize now why they say this is the Santorini of Taipei. So without further ado, let's have you look at the view. It's absolutely amazing here. Free food.
，delicious 啊！
After walking for like a few hours, 1-2 hours, we've reached a final decision. We're still hungry after all the free food, so
We'll go buy some food.
we're probably gonna head in this store. It looks pretty nice and cheap to fit our budget. And
$50 for a bowl of rice, so it's the same as lunch, right?
yeah, so the same as lunch.
That's good.
Let's get it. So battery running on pretty low now. We just finished dinner, and I think this is the end of our Jiufen trip. Hope you enjoyed the video, and